To set up Xfinity XFi Internet, start by unpacking the equipment provided by Xfinity, including the XFi gateway, power cord, and any additional devices such as a wireless router or a range extender. Next, locate a suitable location for the XFi gateway, ideally in a central area of your home to ensure optimal Wi-Fi coverage. Connect the XFi gateway to a power source using the provided power cord and turn it on. The device will automatically begin the boot up process, which may take a few minutes to complete. While waiting for the gateway to boot up, download the Xfinity XFi app on your mobile device to manage your network settings and configure your internet connection. Once the XFi gateway is powered on, open the Xfinity XFi app and follow the in-app instructions to activate your internet service. You will be prompted to enter your Xfinity account credentials and agree to the terms of service. After activation, the app will guide you through the process of setting up your Wi-Fi network, including selecting a network name and password. To connect your devices to the network, go to the Wi-Fi settings on your device and select the network name you created during the setup process. Enter the password you chose, and your device should now be connected to the internet. To ensure optimal network performance, it is recommended to restart your devices and the XFi gateway periodically. Additionally, the Xfinity XFi app allows you to manage device connections, set parental controls, and monitor data usage. You can also use the app to troubleshoot common issues and optimize your network settings for the best possible performance. By following these steps, you can easily set up your Xfinity XFi Internet and start enjoying fast and reliable internet connectivity.